As someone who travels a lot, I've learned there are certain pieces of travel tech that can really enhance your experience. And there are also items out there that claim to enhance your experience, but they're really just overpriced junk. So in this video, I'm gonna share 10 pieces of travel tech I love and personally use when traveling. My travel tech EDC, if you will. These are the items that I take with me on every trip to make the journey smoother, lighter, and better. First, and very high on the list, is a great set of noise-canceling headphones. You can get a cheap set of headphones anywhere, right? But if you find yourself on planes more than even a couple times a year, a noise-canceling set is a no-brainer. Of course, a set of AirPod Pros are hard to beat for minimalist travelers who want to save space because they easily fit into your pocket. But for comfort and overall sound quality, it can be worth it to invest in something a little nicer. One example that goes on sale all the time are Sony's noise-canceling headphones. They obviously take up a little more space, but they're really comfortable, long battery life, and they just kill it on long flights. When you're traveling light, your smartphone becomes pretty crucial, and the last thing that you want to happen when you're trying to use Google Maps or communicate with your Airbnb host is for your phone to die. And that's why I always carry a small power bank. Emphasis on small. This is the brand new Nightcore NB10000 Gen 3. It's shockingly lightweight. I actually ran a 50K in Mexico just last month with the Gen 2 in my vest. This thing is still powerful enough to charge my phone multiple times or even give my MacBook Pro a boost when needed. It's built with trail runners and backpackers in mind. It's compact, tough, and smartly designed with dual USB-C ports for fast, flexible charging. If every ounce matters to you, I would check this one out because it's highly efficient. Now, for city days or long layovers when you don't want to mess with cords, I also bring this older Anker Mag Go. It magnetically snaps onto your phone for cable-free charging, and I love that it doubles as a stand. There's fancier, newer models out there for sure, but this one works great and you can get it for a great price. If you're anything like me, you have multiple devices to charge nightly. Your phone, I'm in the Apple ecosystem, so I've got an Apple Watch, I've got AirPods. And at home, I use a charging station that charges all of these items at once, but it's not very travel friendly. And that's where the Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 steps in. This ultra portable wireless charging station folds up to be basically the size of a set of AirPods. It has ultra fast 15-watt charging, and it's perfect to help reduce the number of chargers you need to carry for all your personal electronics. Hey, if you've gotten value out of this video, please hit that like button so that YouTube will know to suggest it to other travelers like you. Thank you. While we're on the topic of power, if you're traveling internationally, you're gonna need a solid travel adapter. Lately, I've been using the epicka Pulse 45-watt universal travel adapter, and it is my new go-to. It works in 200 plus countries and regions with 4 interchangeable plug types, and it adapts 11 international plug styles into one compact device. So whether you're in Europe, Asia, Australia, or the Americas, you're covered. The Pulse is all about delivering faster, safer, more efficient power right when you need it. It's powered by a GaN chip, which means smart, compact charging. You can charge up to 5 devices at once, 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and a regular AC outlet. Both USB-C ports support 45-watt fast charging, strong enough for phones, tablets, and even a MacBook Air. And it weighs under 8 ounces. It also has built-in safety protections, including a 10A overload fuse, which most other adapters don't have. Plus, it also comes with a spare. Now, a quick but important note, this is not a voltage converter. This is meant for dual voltage devices, so always check your device's specs for compatibility first. In just 2 weeks, this is Amazon's #1 new release in travel adapters, and it's no wonder why. I've carried epicka adapters all over the world, and they make amazing products. Check out the Pulse 45-watt using the link in the description below, and you can get 20% off using our code. Big thanks to Epicka for sponsoring today's video. All right, cables. I have 3 specific lengths of cables I travel with. 1, an ultra long cable for the hotel room or rental where the outlet is inevitably too far from the bed. 2nd, a very short cable for the power bank. This one is by Rolling Square, and it gives you multiple charging options without the bulk. Finally, for the plane, charging your laptop, and any other miscellaneous stuff you might plug into the adapter at night, a few standard length cables. If you travel with a lot of cables and cords, tangling can be a problem, and I recently discovered these MagTame automatic coiling cables. They self-coil magnetically, so your tech pouch can go from a tangled mess to filing cabinet real fast. I've got a few of them in a few different formats. We don't watch much TV while traveling, but if the urge hits, it's nice to be able to watch what we want to watch. So another thing I never regret having is some way to stream to the TV in the hotel or the rental. For us, this usually means traveling with an HDMI cable. You could also go with a Fire Stick or a Chromecast. Next, an item perfect for long-haul flights, this Bluetooth transmitter. I like watching movies on the in-flight entertainment system, but I'd rather use my own noise-canceling headphones, and that's where this Mi Audio Bluetooth transmitter comes in very handy. You just plug it into the seat's headphone jack, pair your headphones, and you're good to go. It even supports dual pairing, so you can share audio with a travel partner, and the 20-hour battery life makes it perfect for long flights. To keep everything, cables, power bank, adapters, all of it organized, I use a tech pouch. It keeps all my small electronics neat and accessible, so I'm not digging through my bag. This also easily doubles as something I can quickly grab out of my bag from the overhead bin on a long-haul flight, or take with me to the coffee shop down the road from my lodging when I need to get some work done. The key with tech pouches, and I've used several, is quality materials and a decent level of organization. There's varying sizes of tech pouches, from very compact, like this AER Slim pouch, to something higher capacity, like this one by Epicka, which is very spacious, but not bulky. It's got just enough pockets and straps to keep cables and chargers organized, plus a zip pocket for small items. A couple of things that just live in my tech pouch. First up, a pen. I guess you could call it a piece of tech. It doesn't exist in the wild, and neither of us could probably build one ourselves, so we'll just call it a piece of tech. It's really just for filling out customs and immigration forms and any other documents that we may encounter while traveling. Something else to put in your bag and just leave there is an Airtag or a tile. Even if you're not planning to check your bag, airlines are cracking down on carry-ons, and in the off chance that you have to check your bag, an Airtag or a tile ensures that you'll always know where your bag is, because airlines lose 2 million bags a year. So I just slide this little guy into the hidden pocket of the last item on today's list. To carry it all, I've been using the AER City Pack Pro 2, and after about a month of testing and travel, I'm seriously impressed. It's compact enough to fit under every airline seat I've taken it on, but it's still structured, spacious, and dialed in for real-world use. It handles daily work just as well as airport sprints, with thoughtful organization and premium materials that make it feel like a true do-it-all bag. It's easily one of the best smaller one-bag travel bags I have ever used. And if you want to know more, here is a full-blown review of that bag. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.